The bull market is officially back. What's good, Milady Memecoin fam? I am back with another video for you guys. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you hold Miladies. Why do I say the bull market is back? Please be sure to watch until the end to find out. It's about to get crazy, guys. If we take a look at the overall markets, you can see Bitcoin just made a huge move to the upside from 26,000 all the way up to around $28,000, just under $28,000, and the market just absolutely went crazy with Bitcoin. Everything moving to the upside. The bull market is back, and of course our favorite meme coin on the channel is breaking to the upside as well too, right? Pepe will bow down to the queen of memes, ladies. This is sitting at 22 hearts from Crypto Crip. Ladies right now sitting at $24.5 million in market cap, $4 million in 24-hour trade volume. The market is starting to take effect with Bitcoin moving up. Everything is going up with Bitcoin, the lead market mover. Ladies is starting its uptrend as well. Very bullish stuff for a meme coin, I gotta say. And why is this happening, guys? Well, apparently Grayscale won its lawsuit with the SEC, and we have a video right here from Watch a Guru breaking down the whole situation. To avoid copyright, I'll have to pause along the way. US court paves way for the first spot Bitcoin ETF after Grayscale wins lawsuit against the SEC, Bloomberg reports. And this is why I say a lot of these this is why I always say the markets are correlated, guys. The markets move together, right? And as long as the project has a community and some type of support behind it, it more than likely will follow Bitcoin when Bitcoin is on its way to a new all-time high. Let's take a look.
How big of a decision is this on Grayscale?
It's massive. This has been a years-long pursuit for Grayscale. Remember, it has been fighting the SEC's decision, and now it has the courts in their favor. If you look at the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, this is the main entity that would face conversion. This is one of the longest standing, largest trusts holding Bitcoin, in which retail and institutional investors.
Grayscale has been trying to get this ETF approved forever, and the SEC turned them down every single time. Not this time.
Have been able to gain exposure for many years now. You are looking at a discount to net asset value really narrowing here. At this very moment, it stands at about 24% under its net asset value, but that is expected to narrow as they get closer to the ETF conversion, which has really become a main thesis for investing in this fund. And beyond that, as you're saying, there is a whole host of other ETF filings. There's
a ton of other ETFs that are next to be approved for Bitcoin, right? A ton of others are lined up as well. Once this Grayscale goes through, because the US court has ruled for the ETF to be approved, all of these other ETFs will be approved, and that's when we're gonna see institutional money come into the space. That's that next level type of money, guys. And a lot of projects will send, man. Ladies, hey, send ladies. Send the meme coin, man. Send all the meme coins.
In the pipeline, and this is boding well for those firms. I will also say that in addition to the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust finding some love on the heels of this decision, you are also seeing Bitcoin itself up above 27,000. It's almost 5% jump in the market right now, because the idea here is that by a potential conversion here for the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into an ETF, it could draw massive adoption from financial advisors, retail investors. Think about how much money on the sidelines.
A lot of money is still on the sideline. There's a lot of retail hasn't come into the spaces yet. When these spot ETFs start to get approved, you'll see people that are typically involved in the stock market, they may start to shift over to the crypto. Obviously, they'll still have people that stay around in the stock market, but a lot of them may shift to crypto, or at least buying Bitcoin. And we know, I think I've said it so many times on the channel, when Bitcoin is bullish and breaking to the upside, a lot of projects follow. Majority of the projects follow, right? You just have to pick the ones that you think are gonna be, the biggest senders. So this is overall bullish, man.
Could be sitting there from the likes of the large wirehouses that could become more comfortable about putting their clients into a regulated ETF exposed to Bitcoin rather than spot Bitcoin itself.
As Danny was talking about in terms of the pipeline, though, does this mean the SEC is like, well, all right, fine, you all get it, or they're still going to be case-by-case basis, and is Grayscale then different?
That is the massive question here, the order, because we have seen from the other products out there linked to cryptocurrencies, the first ones out of the gate have had massive adoption by a landslide. So first out of gate matters a lot. There's a lot of discussion about how the SEC handles this pipeline, because the idea here is not to make the same mistakes as we've seen in prior products, where the first ones out of the gate got a lot of inflows and then the other products.
Very interesting video, guys. Hope you guys are taking this in. Just know if if it's too much mumbo jumbo, if it's too much mumbo jumbo, just know overall it's bullish for the market, because Grayscale ETF gets approved. There's like a ton of ETFs lined up. I'm gonna give you guys an image of that next to show you how many ETFs are pending, for approval. And like I said, overall that's going to bring in a huge influx of new money into the space, which we've been utterly lacking, right?
Tend to lag behind. The idea here is choice, and investor protection partially means also choice for investors.
And right here, ladies fam, we have all of the pending ETFs that are in line to be approved, right? First one that has been overturned by the court, the US court, is Grayscale. But look at how many others are left to be approved, right? With Grayscale leading the charge and that gets approved, all of these other ETFs will follow, and that will signal, hey, it's bull market time, let's send. Okay, so all your favorite altcoins, meme coins, make sure you have exposure to these projects now before it's too late. From Crypto Rover, the court ruled that SEC was wrong to reject the Grayscale Bitcoin spot ETF. What's next? Likely all the other Bitcoin spot ETFs are going to get approved. The question really is when, not if. The ETF is a fully regulated spot ETF, not a synthetic version. Spot ETF means that every share issued has to be backed 1-to-1 ratio by actual Bitcoin, given its requirement. In my opinion, this could be the catalyst to the start of the new bull market. I agree with Crypto Rover there. Miles Dusher, Grayscale just officially won their lawsuit against the SEC, allowing them to convert their future Bitcoin ETF into a spot ETF. The odds of the Bitcoin spot ETF approvals have now also significantly increased. This changes everything. Time to pay attention again. Grab your popcorn, guys. Bitcoin Magazine: Fire Gary Gensler is trending after Grayscale wins its lawsuit against the SEC over converting its fund to a spot Bitcoin ETF. Grayscale wins in its lawsuit against the SEC over converting its fund to a spot Bitcoin ETF. And from Watch Guru, we see a huge candle, God candle in BTC, billions of dollars moving in like seconds and minutes. That's how crazy the crypto markets are. The volatility is insane, man. And again, overall, this is bullish for Milady, right? This is bullish for a ton of projects, man. From KH4, ladies, eat the dip. From 5 I'm bullish on ladies, Mr. Sheeb. Ladies, eat the shorts. Ladies, eat them. wings like eagles. Milady, let's get to move that 0 out. 4 hearts on that. And a tweet from the official Milady account, which was a great tweet, by the way. I like this tweet a whole lot. Unlike others, the ladies team stands strong and continue committed to our community. No token dumping, just growth and trust. And we got an image of them slicing Pepe in half. Getting Pepe out of here. But a lot of projects moved up with Bitcoin as well. Pepe did make a move to the upside as well. Again, what makes a project in the space successful, even if it's a utility project, is the community. As long as the community still is around and still engaged, we'll see some crazy sends in the bull market, man. And this could be the official start that we've been looking for, the official confirmation that we've been looking for. So ladies fam, hold on to your seatbelts. Let's see what we get. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about ladies and myself will be in the description. Follow on Twitter, share with your friends and family. Let's grow the channel together, and I'll catch you in the next one.